Welcome to ASOC Tutorials India, and you are watching free online remote learning education series, and today's topic is resistance color code and tolerance explained. So this is a very big topic. Many practicals are there, numericals are there. So kindly sit with paper pen with you because you have to solve a lot of questions in between. You will not get the times. So I'm continue. There are many different type of resistors available which can be used in both electrical and electronic circuits to control the flow of current or to produce a voltage drop in many different ways. But in order to do this, the actual resistance need to be have some form of resistive or resistance value. Resistances are available in a range of different resistance value from fractions of an ohm to millions of ohms. Resistors are manufactured in what are called preferred value, with their resistance value printed onto their body in colored ink, and the difference is tolerance. This is one of the example. The resistance value, tolerance and voltage rating are generally printed onto the body of resistors as number of letters when the resistance body is big enough to read the print, such as a large power resistor. Now see large power resistors. They are some kind of big resistors, no need of color codes. You can mention directly for a long time. It will maintain the value on the body. But when the resistance is small, such as quarter watt carbon or even much smaller or bigger, this specification must be shown in some other manner as printed would be too small to read. They are so small, sometimes we need a magnifier. So in such condition, to overcome this small resistance, use colored painted bands indicate both their resistor value and their tolerance, with the physical size of resistor indicating the wattage rating. By looking the size of resistor, you can say their quarter watt, half watt, 1 watt, 2 watt, 5 watt, so on. These color painted bands produce a system of identification generally known as resistor color code. There are some small carbon resistance you see on screen. They have different set of value. If you watch carefully, you will find three color bands are on one side. After that there is a gap and fourth color band is at one corner. So this is a system how to identify first ring and last ring, because first three rings are coming together and last ring is totally independent with a good margin. So there is a one international system universally accepted. There is a scheme, simply and quick way to identify the resistor ohm value no matter what is the size or condition. Just there is one sequence. So just to remember the scheme, you have to remember mnemonic of the code. BB draw of Great Britain has a very good vibe. If you see the letters on board, they are the sequence. You watch carefully. So if first letter is B, it means it is a black. Same way, next B is a brown, value 1. R red, value 2. O orange, value 3. Y yellow, value 4. G green, value 5. B blue, value 6. V violet, value 7. G gray, value 8. W white, 9, and there are three more values. First is gold. If it is coming at fourth ring, it means it is a plus minus 5%. Silver means plus minus 10%, and there is no color, missing or absence of color. Means color is itself is not there, it means plus minus 20. But if gold is coming at third ring, listen carefully. If gold is coming at third ring, it's in 10 raised power minus 1. For silver, 10 raised power. It is advisable, note down on paper all such value. They are needed again and again to you. Now understand how to read out resistance color code on a resistance. If you watch carefully, left side I have shown is small sample resistance. The first coloring use at the place of decade place means it is a multiple of 10. Second ring at the place of unit, it means it is a single unit. And third ring, it is a multiplier, 10 raised power of color. Whatever color value comes, that is the power of 10. And fourth is tolerance. Now taking all band. First band giving the values, second, third is the multiplier, and fourth is the tolerance. Now take the help of this chart and first understand. If first band, watch first band, this is brown. Same way, observe second, third, and fourth, and note down brown, brown, red, good. Now change the value. First brown 1, 1 into 10 raised power, red is 2, 2 plus minus 5%. Now multiply and calculate it. You will get 11 into 10 raised power 2, or you can say 1100 ohm, or in simple word 1.1 kilo ohm plus minus 1%. This is the answer. Now get ready, take paper pen and continue, because lot of resistance are coming and you have to solve it one by one. But just holding you 1 minute, first understand the basic concept. If the value of resistance is just 0.47 ohm, you can write on the paper as a R47, it means it is a 47, or simple 0R47. If any value is left side of R, it means it is a full value. If it is right side of R, it means it is a decimal of that value. So this one, keep it in your mind. Same way, when the value is 1 ohm or 1.0 ohm, because 0 also needed point after point, so you can write 1R0, or if it is a 4.7 ohm, you can say 4R7. This concept you have to understand, because I have not seen anybody is taking class on this topic, and students are mostly confused. Sir, what is mean by R, 4R7, 1R0, and this kind of questions will come in modulation also. So keep it in your mind, this concept. When it is 47 ohm, you can write 47R, 470 ohm, 470R. Now you may convert this 470 ohm to kilo ohm. In such case, it will be equal to 0.47 kilo ohm, or in simple word 0K47. 1 kilo ohm, 1K0, 4.7 kilo ohm, 4K7, 47 kilo ohm, 47K, 470 kilo ohm, same way 470K, or converted to mega ohm means 0.47 mega ohm, then you can say 0 M. M is mega, 47, and 1 mega ohm is 1 and 0, because you have to convert to 1.0, then only 1 and 0 you will. So this system, keep it in your minds, all answers are correct, and this one is a standard. Now get ready to do yourself. See the value resistance at the left side, and if you observe the color rings, you will find first as a brown, second as a green, third as a red, and fourth as a gold. Now put the value 1, 5, 10 raised power 2. Now this will be equal to 15 into 10 raised power 2, i.e. 1500 ohm, or 1.5 kilo, or in simple words you can say 1K5 also. Now see the next resistance on the left side top. Now colors has been changed. Now put the value first as a brown, second as a black, third as a green, fourth as a gold. Put the value 1, 0, 10 raised power 5 plus minus 5%. Solve this. 10 into 10 raised power 5, that is 1 mega ohm, or I can say 1 M0. Next. Now only I have changed one color, third color ring. Now brown, black, blue. 1, 0, 10 raised power 6. Solve this one. You will get the answer as a 10 mega ohm, or I can say 10 M0 plus minus 5%. Same way I have put another color, violet. Now you have to do it. I'm not going to help you so much. The answer is 10 into 10 raised power 7, that is 100 mega ohm. Next color, third ring, change to gray. Now the answer is 10 into 10 raised power 8, that is 1000 mega ohm. It is just an example. It is coming in the range of somewhere in insulator, but to help you to understand the concept, I am using this. You will not find this just in the market. Now next is with white ring on third color band, 10 into 10 raised power 9. Now next. Now watch carefully. All three colors left side, and mostly I am giving you only gold as a fourth ring. So what is the value of this one? Solve this. Got the answer? Okay. The answer is 111. It means 11 into 10 raised power 1. All are brown. So 110 ohm plus minus 5%. So next, now third ring from gray, brown, it changed to red. Now brown, brown, red. What is the answer? I hope you have it. Got it? Good. This is 11 into 10 raised power 2, 1100, 1100 ohms plus minus 5%. Next, second ring also changed to red, others no change. Got the answer? Good. The answer is 12 into 10 raised power 2, that is 1200 ohm plus minus 5%. Next, watch carefully left side resistance. Now all three are red. There is very minor difference in color. It may happen due to different company. So don't be confused here. So all red means the answer is 22 into 10 raised power 2, 2200, 2200 ohm or 2K2. Next, now two color had been changed to orange. Second and third ring. Got the answer? Good. The answer is 23 into 10 raised power 3, 23,000 ohm or 23 kilo ohm. Next, see carefully the resistance. Now totally different colors are coming. The answer is orange, black, green, 3131 into 10 raised power 5. It means 3.1 mega ohm. Next, see carefully left side new resistance. All three are orange. It is very simple. The answer is 33 into 10 raised power 3, i.e. 33 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. Next, watch carefully. Now fourth color change to yellow. It's been no change in left side. So 33 is the same, but instead of 10 raised power 3, now it is 10 raised power 4. So it is 330 kilo ohm. Next, now it is green. Means previous first two color no change. Now it is changing in power only. It is 33 into 10 raised power 5. That is, you can see on the screen. This is the answer. I'm not going to tell you because you have to calculate it using kilo and mega formula. Now this is quite different. There are two gold rings. First one brown, second black, gold. Now as third ring is gold, it means it will be divided by -1. So what will the value? I hope you have solved it. The answer is first and second ring, they are brown black. 10 i.e. 10. This is the multiplier. Third and fourth gold. So first gold 10 raised power -1 and fourth is at 10 is a tolerance plus minus 5%. It's mean 10 into 10 raised power -1, 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1 ohm plus minus 5%. This is the answer. Now you have to do practically this kind of numerical, then only you will understand this resistance color code standards. Is this is only, this is a syllabus? Then my answer is no. This is as per your ASOC examination syllabus only, but it's advisable to visit a workshop and see more kind of resistors. They will help you to learning concept. Example I'm giving you, they are variable power resistors, very high values. They are variable. You can rotate it. They are industrial use and other resistance, thermistors. They are depend on different parameters like temperature, voltage, SMD, surface mount devices, voltage dependent resistance, resistors, light dependent resistance, or we can say photoresistance. They are depend on various parameters. I'm not going to cover it. If you want to know about it, I will cover it separately. And also magnetoresistor, this is also part of different type of resistors. So this is end of my today's session, and next section will be on concepts of capacitance with capacitor calculation. So I hope This video will help you. If you like it, please subscribe it so that you can get next set of videos timely. So thank you very much.